There goes. Indoor. Ano nga ba yung kinuha mo last time? Mas maganda yun eh. What? I love you tonight. Ay, ako. Kasama na sa budget yung mga mingkay ko na yun. This one is cheap. It's variety. Red. Wholehearted. You have to get one like this for 2 cats. I'm looking. We're getting 2. Extreme or multi-cat? First step. This one. This is more friendly because it's unscented. Isang
Kaya
lata.
nga, isang lata nga. Para 1 meal.
Patay ang kumuha ng variety.
Parang
Yung helper namin dati kumakain ng fancy fish, no? Masarap daw. Sabi pa sa amin, ate, try mo, ang sarap. You kidding? Love you tonight. La. Okay. Cat meat.